Want to make your videos more engaging with background music? VEED lets you add music tracks, adjust their volume, trim them, and sync them with your video directly in the editor. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add music to videos in VEED in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign in to VEED and create a new video project, or open an existing project that you want to add music to. Make sure your video is already uploaded and visible on the timeline before adding the music. Next, open the audio or music section from the editor. Depending on your project in the current VEED interface, you may see options for adding stock music, sound effects, or your own audio files. Choose the option that works best for the type of music you want to use. Now select a music track from the available library or upload your own audio file from your computer. Preview a few tracks and choose one that matches the mood and pace of your video. If you're publishing the video publicly, make sure you have the necessary rights to use the music. Finally, watch the entire video and listen carefully to the music, narration, and other sounds. When everything is balanced correctly, click Done and export your finished video. So your video now has background music that's ready to share, and that's how to add music to videos in VEED. Open the audio tools, choose or upload a track, add it to the timeline, adjust the timing and volume, and export your finished video. The right background music can make your videos feel much more polished, as long as it supports the content instead of overpowering it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.